Hi, my beauties! Who else is ready to be amazed by this amazing eyebrows transformation? This before and after transformation is mind-blowing! Starting off with the lining first, you have a preview of where the improved brows are going to be. Measuring them first makes it way easier to fix the shape in a perfect and even way. The process of creating beautiful brows like these ones is super satisfying. Yup, and these are just the right lines in the right place. That black bold pencil makes the lines more visible, and that's what makes the process easier. Making the brows tail super thin and sharp. What do you guys think of this process so far? I am super excited for the results. What about you guys? The shape is looking quite amazing so far. Would you look at that line? So sharp and beautiful. Shortening out those brows so the shape appears cleaner. Do you guys prefer waxing or plucking your eyebrows? Waxing makes the brows grow way more slower than usual. Let's cool out the waxed area for a little bit. Looking super clean already. Getting rid of the brows that the wax could not catch by plucking them. Kila really knows how to transform your brows in the best way. Taking care of some final touches and get ready to be amazed by the final results. I am in love with these results. Keep up the good work, babe!